Hey everybody, welcome to Shopping with Shana. It is time to show you some of the hottest deals that are happening at Meijer this week. I can't wait to show you this amazing deal that I did. Oh, let's get going.
Welcome to Stop and Singer.
We have a deal on the Pringles party size snacks. I was actually going to do this deal, but all I can see are the barbecue flavored ones, and I definitely do not want those. But it ends up making them $2 each, so check your store and see if you have a better stock than I do. I'm gonna keep walking around. They may have them like on an end cap or something. Hopefully that's the case. Alright, so these serious beans, and there's some up here too, they're not tagged, but they're regularly priced $2.15. They are on sale this week for $1.69, and we have $1 off one Imperk, which is going to make one can just 69 cents. Not a bad deal here, just hopefully your store is tagged. Took me a minute to find these, but I did find them. These are these Nestle Rallies brownie almond butter bombs or bars or whatever you want to call them. They're actually found in the refrigerated section. So as you can see, like the Jellos below, we've got the crescent rolls here. There's cream cheese down there and cheese and so forth. So it is a refrigerated item. These are regularly priced $2.79. We have a $1.50 in perk. So and we also have a $2.50 back on one. Supposed to be a freebie rebate from ibotta. Of course it's not with the regular price, but it ends up making it completely free and a $1.50 Moneymaker. So this is a really, really great deal. Hopefully you grab yours. Now we have to figure out what we want. Do we want the raspberry peanut butter, the brownie almond butter, or the salted cashew butter? That looks really good. Don't forget to check out your clearance sections. They can be anywhere in the store. These Downy Unstoppables are 50% off for $5.80. You might have some other things in here that you would be interested in. Juices, $1.44 for that. So lots of options. Alright, so we've got these Southern Recipe small batch pork rinds. There's a couple different selections here. They're regularly priced $3.49, on sale for $2.99, and we have $1 off one in perk, making them just $1.99. Not a bad deal when you're looking at the Meijer brand for $1.99. It looks like a smaller bag. I actually don't know what the ounces are on that, but comparable to the Meijer brand, you might as well grab it. Garnier fruit teas this week is regularly priced $4.09, but it's buy two get one free, and we have a 3 off 2 digital coupon or imperk. So you're going to use that. It's going to be $5.18 total, or $1.73 each. Again, you can find better deals, especially at Walgreens this week. Garnier Whole Blends is also an option for you. It's regularly priced $4.19. Again, it is buy two, get one free, and we have a 3 off 2 digital coupon, so your total is $5.38 or $1.79 each. Tresemme this week is regularly priced $5.99. We have a buy one get one in perk, so you want to grab 2 of them. You'll pay $5.99, so that is roughly $6.98 total, or $2.33 each. But it is part of the spend 15 get $5 off, and we're going to put it together with the whole scenario. Alright guys, there's a money making deal right here on this Dove, and I wasn't going to do it because I don't have coupons, but there's a coupon here that somebody left me, so I'm kind of excited about that. That might help me out with my scenario that I'm messed up with. So you want to grab one of these Doves that are $7.89. So some of them are different prices, but they're Advanced Care Dry Spray, as well as grab one of the Advanced Care sticks here for your best deal. And make sure that you use, your subtotal is $15.28. So that's that buy 15, get $5 off. We're going to use some coupons here. We have a 3 off 1 insert coupon, as well as a $2.50 off 1 for one of these. Now I do not have that particular coupon. That's going to leave our out of pocket at $4.28 after the $5 off instantly. But no worries, when you spend 15, you're also going to get a $5 Catalina, making this completely free and a 72-cent moneymaker. Now, oh look guys, I love the coupon fairies that leave coupons. I'm going to be able to do this deal. So my plan had been to get 2 of these Dove Advanced Cares and then not use coupons, but get $2 back from ibotta, which would have been a great deal to put in a spend scenario. I'm going to throw a couple of different options up for you without trying to explain it here. If you're trying to do the Dove deal without coupons, you definitely want to check out these Dove Nourishing Body Creams or Beauty Creams. They're $1.25. They're found in the travel section for me, but they're also registering as part of the spend 15, save 5. So I'm going to show you a scenario without coupons if you don't have coupons like I thought I was going to do. But you can grab these in place as your filler items and count them as completely free in your final cost. So another deal I was going to throw into this is grab 2 of the Axe deodorants. They're buy one, get one 40% off. Now I had the math down for $5.29 per stick, but it is showing $5.49 in store. So I'm gonna have to adjust that math a little bit. There is also a $2 in perk. And when you buy 2, you're going to get a $4 Catalina, as you can see here. Buy 2 of the Axe products, get a $4 Catalina, so we're gonna get that back as well. I'm gonna have to adjust my math here, but I'll definitely put it up on the screen. There is a deal here with Suave hairspray. Unfortunately, my store is completely wiped, but they're regularly priced $4.19. Grab 2 of them. There is a buy one, get one digital coupon. It makes them $2.10 each, but there's also this spend 15 deal that's going on Unilever products. We're going to throw into a scenario, or we were going to throw into a scenario, so I'm going to have to rework my scenario here in order to get it to work out right. All right, I just realized that this Suave Mousse will also qualify for this buy one get one coupon. So, and it's also qualifying, it's the same price, $4.19. So it's going to keep my scenario the same, but if you can get the hairspray, or if you want the hairspray, that is also an option for you. Everything you see here we're going to get for less than $5, 62 cents each to be exact. So the Dove Dry Spray Deodorant, is $7.89. The Dove stick is $7.39. We have 3 off and 2.50 off insert coupons. Thank you, Coupon Fairy. Tresemme is $5.99 each, but we have a buy one get one, or $5.99 in perk. The Axe is $5.49 each, but we have a $2 off in perk, and then the Suave Mousse is $4.19 each, but we have a buy one get one as well on this. So putting this all together, the total is $46.62. $15 will come off instantly. Then all of those coupons will come off. Out of pocket will be $13.94. We're going to receive a $5 Catalina for the Dove and a $4 Catalina for the Axe. It's going to make the final cost $4.94 or 62 cents each. This is an amazing deal. Alright guys, so here is my whole cart. I'm going to check out. I can't wait to check out this big deal with all the Unilever products, but we're going to see how it all worked out. Alright, so this worked out even better than I expected. As you can see, we have everything here. I had the Suave Mousse with the free item on there. We had the Axe deodorants with the $2 off coupon, the Tresemme shampoo with the free item, and then we also had the Dove deodorants, which the coupons did come off at the bottom somewhere. I forgot to find it there. So the coupons, the $2.50 and the $3 came off. Unilever, I had they came off 3 times for the $5, so $15 off. I got to be honest with you, I don't know what these 3 in perks are. One of them, one of the $4 ones is one I got with points, but the other 2, I don't know if I had them on my account and it used all of them. I'm not really sure, but that's okay. My out of pocket was nice and low. It was just $11.57 with those 3 coupons that came off for in perks, but yeah, so I'm super excited. The candy and the applesauce honestly were the 2 things I wasn't expecting to get. I got them off of the clearance shelves, so that's a good $6 right there that I wouldn't have paid had I not got those. But the pork rinds worked out with the $1 off one. The serious beans, see, $1.69, even though it wasn't tagged, $1 came off there. And then the rallies, the $2.79 with the $1.50, I'm going to submit to Ibotta and get that back. This may be a really great haul. All of my Catalinas printed and an extra one. So we did have a Meijer and Unilever $5 Catalina print for the Dove. And then I had the $4 Catalina print for the Axe when you buy 2. So that printed. And then this one printed that I was not expecting, but I did notice it on the tag, but I don't remember the details. It had to do with the Suave. So I got a $2.50. This is a Meijer coupon, as you can see here. It does say store coupon, but $2.50 printed. And I saw this on, I'll have to look at the tag. Hopefully I caught a good glimpse of it in my video to figure out how it happened. But this was $2.50 extra. So my scenario has gotten even sweeter. Let me show you everything together.